So welcome back to the video. In this video, I will quickly show you on how to share your Google Form link to everyone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on this send icon. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on manage right here. Then here we go. So from this option right here, editor view, go ahead and click on here, and then you can switch to anyone with this link. With that, you can go ahead and come down below right here and hit on done. Now respond that anyone with the link has been changed. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and hit on published. Simple response management. Start accepting response on your form. Go ahead and click on got it. The form has been. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on copy respondent link. You can decide to shorten the URL right here. So click on this box right here. And if URL has been shortened, go ahead and click on here to copy. There you have a link to the copy of your Google Form that you can share with anyone as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Google Form like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.